MIHIRA, a root canal is necessary to treat a severely infected tooth. The procedure involves removing the damaged pulp, cleaning and shaping the root canals, and filling them with sealing material. Local anesthesia will be administered to numb the area, ensuring your comfort during the treatment. You might experience some temporary sensitivity or discomfort afterward, which can be managed with over-the-counter pain relievers. It's important to maintain good oral hygiene by brushing and flossing regularly and avoid chewing on the treated tooth until the final restoration is placed. A crown will be necessary to protect the tooth and restore its function. Mihira, I want to take a moment to talk with you about the care your wound needs, because I know it might feel overwhelming or scary right now. Taking care of this injury properly is the most important thing we can do to help your body heal as quickly and safely as possible. You have been so brave, and this process is how we continue to support your strength. The reason we need to change the dressing on your wound regularly is because this careful routine creates a safe, clean environment for your body to do its amazing work of healing from the inside out. Your wound is deep and wide, which means it needs extra protection. The world around us, even though we can't see them, is full of tiny germs. While our skin usually acts as a wonderful shield against them, an open wound is like an open door. If these germs get inside, they can cause an infection. An infection would make the area much more painful, swollen, and red, and it would actually slow down the healing process significantly. By keeping a fresh, clean bandage on it, we are building a protective barrier that keeps those germs out. This consistent care is our best strategy to prevent serious complications and to give your body the absolute best chance to heal completely and healthily, protecting the injured area. I know the process might seem complex, but we will do it together gently and step by step. First, we will very carefully remove the old dressing. We might moisten it with a little sterile saline solution to help it come away without sticking, ensuring we don't disturb the delicate new healing skin that is starting to form. Once the wound is exposed, the next step is to clean it thoroughly. We will use a gentle saline solution, which is just a very pure, soft salt water, to rinse the area. This isn't meant to sting or hurt you. Its purpose is to softly wash away any drainage or tiny particles without harming the fragile new cells that are working hard to repair your body. We will pat the surrounding skin dry with a clean gauze, always being very tender. Finally, we will apply a new sterile dressing that is just the right size to cover the entire wound. This new dressing will act as a fresh, clean shield. It will absorb any natural fluid the wound produces while keeping germs completely locked out. It's like putting a new protective blanket over the area to keep it safe until we check on it again. This entire routine, from removing the old bandage to putting on the new one, is our powerful way of partnering with your body's natural ability to heal. Every time we do this, we are taking active steps to prevent infection and to encourage strong, healthy healing. It is a crucial part of your recovery journey, and we are here to do it with the utmost care and support for you every step of the way. You are not alone in this.